So dear students, now I am going to explain the second video in programming in C and C++. So in the first video I explained introduction to C or history of C. Now today I am going to explain the one more concept so I am going to explain the unit 1. So please subscribe my channel Anu Computer Education to get further updates. So now today's concept will be character set or characteristics. So what is the meaning of characteristics? Characteristics are nothing but features. So please don't get confusion. If you get it like this, features of C, also you have to write same answer. Otherwise you can write advantages, or you may get characteristics of C. So all these three questions are same. Please don't get confusion. So now today I am going to explain what are the characteristics. Okay, so advantages. If you learn C language, what are the benefits you are going to get? So the first advantage is modularity. So what is the meaning of modularity? Suppose if I am giving one big problem, so you are alone cannot solve this problem. So what you are doing now? You are breaking this bigger problem into smaller pieces. Like this is piece 1 and this is piece 2. Like you are dividing into 3 pieces now. So what you are doing? Individually you are solving this problem, and individually you are solving this problem, and individually you are solving this problem. After solving individual, you are combining all these results, and finally you are getting the original problem solution. So this is called as modularity. So what is the meaning of modularity? Breaking the bigger problem into multiple number of pieces, and you can solve individually. So after solving all, you can combine the results. Okay, so finally you will get the final answer solution. So అర్థమైంది కదా, ఇక్కడ పెద్ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ని మనం ఏం చేసాం ఇక్కడ, ఓకే, డివైడ్ చేసుకున్నాం 1 2 3 పార్ట్స్. ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్ అవుతాయి అన్ని పార్ట్స్ డివైడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఇవన్నిటిని మనం కలిపి సొల్యూషన్ ఇస్తే మొత్తం ప్రాబ్లంకి సంబంధించిన ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. సరే, ఎందుకు మనం డివైడ్ చేయాల్సి వచ్చింది అంటే, ఇక్కడ మన ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటంటే మొత్తం ప్రాబ్లం ఒకటి సాల్వ్ చేయలేం కాబట్టి మనం ఏం చేసినాం, దాన్ని పీసెస్ కింద చేసి ఇండివిజువల్గా సాల్వ్ చేసుకున్నాం, ఎందుకంటే మన ఈజీగా అయిపోవడానికి. సో దానికోసమే డివైడ్ చేస్తాం. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ మాడ్యులారిటీ. సో ద నెక్స్ట్ ఫీచర్, ఓకే, సో C is one of the procedure oriented structural programming language. So what is the meaning of procedure oriented అంటే, so module format. So the C language is supporting breaking. So whenever you are getting a bigger problem, you can divide it now. So this is the flexibility is there in C language. So what is the meaning of structure oriented? You can develop the application from top to bottom. So you know already C language program execution can be done from top to bottom. So this is very important point you need to remember. So next, so C is one of the simple language. What is the next one I am explaining here? C is one of the simple programming language. So why I am saying, C, whatever in C language, whatever the concepts which are learning now, that is like English like concepts only, English like okay, statements only. So learning becomes easy, writing becomes easy, understanding becomes easy, and everything is becomes easy. So because of that we are saying C is one of the simple language, because whatever the syntactically, so whatever we are going to write in C language, so everything is becoming like English like statements only. So understanding, learning, writing, everything becomes easy. So this is the reason we are saying C is one of the simple language. Okay, next important one is portable. Okay, portability. So portability, sir, what is the meaning of portability? It means what? Suppose this is my computer now. Okay, so this is me. So what I did one C language program. So I written one program called as abc.c language program. This is my program. Okay, I did this program. So this is my friend laptop or friend computer now. Now my friend is asking, so I already have done the program now, can you please give me your program? So I will execute the same program in my laptop. So C is portable. C is means what? Carrying the instructions from one computer to another computer, provided both the computers should contain same operating system. Suppose in my computer I am having Windows. Okay, in my computer I am having Windows. In my friend computer also having Windows. Okay, so now whatever the program which I written, so once you know already, once you write the program, it will generate one. Okay, after successful compilation, it will generate one more file called abc.exe file. So executable file. So what I did, instead of giving this program to my friend, I'll copy this program in pen drive. This program I'm giving to my friend. So what I will do after going home, my friend will copy this program into his computer. Now he will not write the program, just what are the program, you will not compile, because everything after compilation it will generate the exe file. So what he will do, just he will copy this program into his computer and simply will double click this file, he will get the outputs. So that is what is happening. So it is very very important, because if both the computers are having the same operating system, then only the C language is portable. Suppose another situation, so another friend is there to me now, he is using what Unix operating system is there in his laptop. So I written abc.c language program. After successful compilation, the compiler will generate another file with same name but with a different extension. So when program I written, .c program I written, but what file is generated here, exe file is generated. So what is happening now? Now I copied, so same another friend B, this friend is B and this friend name is A. So B is asking, sir, I already done the program now, can you give your what are the program output which is generated now, can you copy this output in my laptop, so that I'll copy the same program in my laptop. So just I'll double click and I will see the output. So I copied and I given. So after going home, what he did, so just he's double clicking, he's not getting the answer now, because what is it? So in which computer written, Windows operating system. So when I'm giving, so whenever you are carrying the instructions from one computer to another computer, so both the computers should contain the same operating system, then only C language is portable. So okay, so it is a platform dependent technology. C language, if anyone is asking what is the meaning of portability, means C language is a platform dependent, it means operating system dependent. So both the systems are having same operating system, then it is portable. Okay, so this is a point you need to remember. Next I am going to the next point. So total 3 features I explained. The next feature I am going to explain now. So next feature is pointers. Okay, pointer. So what is the meaning of pointer? This is one important topic and it is dangerous topic in C language, is pointer. So with the help of pointer you can directly interact with the memory. Okay, directly interact. Okay, interact with memory. So you know what is the meaning of memory? Memory is nothing but RAM here. So suppose this is your RAM. In RAM means what? So many memory locations will be the like 1, 10, 11, 12. Just assume like this addresses are there memory. So with the help of this pointer concept, you can directly interact with the whatever the locations, what are the values which are stored in that particular location, and everything with the help of addresses you can go and it can interact with the memory. So that is the beauty of pointer concept. Okay. So this is a concept which is available in C. So next, one more important point we are going to discuss, feature or characteristic, that is recursion. So sir, what is the meaning of recursion? Recursion is nothing but a function is called by itself. A function is called by itself. Is known as recursion. So a function call చేసుకుంటూ ఉంటుంది. So you will come to know this topic when I am going to the unit 3. So just you remember now the same topic which we are going to discuss when we are entering into the unit 3, the concept called functions. Okay. So next important point we are going to discuss, extensible. Sir, what is the meaning of extensible? Suppose today I written one program. So assume this is my C language compiler. So here I written so many lines of program. Suppose I written 10 lines of program today. So after writing the program, I compiled and everything. So later I want to add some more lines, or I want to remove some lines which I written in the above earlier program. So you can make, it will allow, C language will allow that in future whatever the program you written, you can make corrections. It means you can add the new lines to the program, or you can remove the new lines from the program. So that's simple. So you can add new features to the existing program, or else what are the features which are already written, so you can remove some features from the program. So that is the meaning of extensible. So if you want to develop any application, so C language is having what? Rich library. Okay, rich library. Sir, what is the meaning of rich library? So already predefined header files are there. So by making use of this concept, your application development will become faster. Okay, so like example stdio.h, okay, conio.h. So already he made so many predefined concepts, he stored in different header files. So your application development will become very fast. So this is what lots of inbuilt functions which are available in these header files. Okay, so the next very very important point is memory management. So memory management. So sir, what is the meaning of memory management? So you know, C language is nothing but what is the meaning of memory. So whenever you want allocate sufficient memory for the data members or functions, functions. So in C language the memory can be managed. So once you allocated the memory, suppose example if I write int a, it will allocate 2 bytes of memory for the variable. So if you, what are the variable which is allocated to this variable, you want to deallocate this memory. So ఇచ్చిన మెమరీని మళ్ళీ ఖాళీ చేయడానికి మనం యూజ్ చేసిన కాన్సెప్ట్ free function. So this way we are going to manage the memory in computer now. Okay, so these are the very important features in C language. Okay, so next one important note point you need to remember. This is very important point you need to remember. In C is a case sensitive language. If anyone is asking C is what type of language, means you need to say C is a case sensitive language. Sir, now I will explain. So it means what? Small a and capital A. So we are human beings, we cannot differentiate small a and capital A. So my question is, suppose if I am writing small letter apple, okay, and if I am writing a capital letter apple, so now both are same or different? Yes, both are same. So because we are human beings, we are not differentiating capital letter A and small letter A. Only the difference is we are saying this is small letter apple and this is a capital letter. That is only the difference we are saying. But logically apple means apple only, and here also if you say apple means apple only. So it is not like if you written in small apple means it is not small apple. If you are written in capital letter means it is not a bigger apple. So both are apple means apple only. సో అర్థమైంది కదా, ఇక్కడ మనం స్మాల్ లెటర్ యాపిల్ రాసిన క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్ యాపిల్ రాసిన సి లాంగ్వేజ్లో స్మాల్ యాపిల్ అంటే యాపిలే, క్యాపిటల్ యాపిల్తో రాసిన యాపిలే, సైజ్లో ఏం ఫరక్ లేదు. అదే సి లాంగ్వేజ్లో ఎలా అంటే సి లాంగ్వేజ్ మే వాట్ విల్ బి దేర్ ఇన్ సి లాంగ్వేజ్, క్యాపిటల్ ఏ మీన్స్ వాట్, క్యాపిటల్ ఏ మీన్స్ తో ASCII value of capital A is 65 and ASCII value of small a is 97. So it means now in C language every character is having the ASCII value. Okay, what will be there? ASCII value. So what is the meaning of ASCII value? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, American Standard, okay, Standard Code for Information Interchange. So with this so every total in C language 256 characters are there. Every character you are having the ASCII value. Now onwards you remember in C language capital A, wherever you are writing capital A, in the same place if you are writing a small a, both are different. If anyone is asking small a, capital A, both are same or different, means you need to say, because the rule numbers are different. Maybe the letters are okay, but rule numbers you see, small a rule number is 97 and capital A rule number is 65. So now can you say these both are same now? So that is what the meaning of case sensitive. It means it will treat uppercase letters and lowercase letters as different letters. So please subscribe my channel. So into the next video will be, okay, now I am going to explain the next video, that is nothing but basic structure of C. This is the one more very important video I am going to explain, so that question you can expect in your final exam.